Xerox Energy is a leader in developing bioactive technologies. This geometric emblem was developed to transform some of this negative energy into bio-friendly energy. Watch how much destructive microwave energy comes out of this microwave oven, even at 5 or 6 feet away from the microwave. You can decorate your microwave oven with these three-dimensional emblems and reduce the exposure. Even in non-operation mode, there's quite a bit of exposure, as you can see here. So it is important to affix some of these three-dimensional emblems and reduce the negative impact of these frequencies.